count of 3.
अच्छा एक बार पहले फ्रंट बैक तो देखना तो
Vayu ka potty business is completely Vatsal's department.
Welcome to Mammy Poco Presents Beyond the Pump, a podcast where we explore the beautiful, sometimes bumpy, and always unforgettable journey of motherhood and parenting. Beyond the Pump is more than just a name. It's a space where we celebrate the entire journey, from those first fluttery kicks during pregnancy to the joyful milestones and the everyday chaos and the cuddles that define parenthood. Because the truth is, the journey doesn't end at the pump, it begins beyond it. एक कपल के लिए पेरेंटहुड उनकी लाइफ की स्टोरी में एक बहुत ही स्पेशल और मेमोरेबल बुकमार्क की तरह होती है। एक नए बिगिनिंग की एक्साइटमेंट और आने वाली नई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज की नर्वसनेस। It truly is like a roller coaster of emotions, moments, and memories. And it's not just the couple who experiences this. At Mammy Poco, we believe in the We Are All Mammy philosophy, which means that everyone and anyone who takes care of the baby is a mammy. That's why on this episode of Beyond the Bound, हम लाए हैं एक ऐसी ही कपल और उनकी फैमिली की खूबसूरत स्टोरी of becoming the mammies they are today. The amazing couple we have with us today is no stranger to being in the spotlight. From delivering heart-touching performances on screen to being the relatable parents next door, we are delighted to welcome actors, partners, and proud parents to Vayu and Veda, Ishita Datta and Vatsal Ji. Welcome to the show, Ishita and Vatsal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting us.
And thank you for the introduction.
Yeah, thank you for a lovely introduction. Yeah, thank you so much. We are very excited to be part of this podcast.
And share our journey with all of you.
Yeah, and I think that's the most important part. सबसे important part वही होता है to share our journeys. कभी-कभी लगता है कि because we are actors, celebrities, क्या हम लोग वही चीज़ कर रहे हैं, क्या हम लोग वही नहीं कर रहे? नहीं यार, हम लोग भी इंसान हैं, हम लोग को भी बच्चे आपके बच्चे की तरह ही है।
हमारे भी बाल झड़ते हैं।
Okay, so before we start, Ishita, Vatsal, who changes more diapers?
It depends which baby.
What do you think? Who changes more diapers?
I think turn by turn होता है.
Hari, you want me to be honest?
Okay, you know what? डायपर ज़्यादा चेंज कौन करता है? इशिता. पर पॉटी सबसे ज़्यादा साफ कौन करता है?
Actually,
so balancing act
initially, yes, when the diaper phase is on, I think it's me. But yes, I have to give credit to Vatsal that Vayu ka potty business is completely Vatsal's department, and I don't have to do it at all. He does it completely.
That's amazing. I think that this chat is going to be really fun. We are going to settle this with a great diaper race at the end, by the way. So we'll see. Okay, so we're super excited to have you both on the show. And today's episode is about teamwork makes the parenting dream work. And I'm sure आप लोगों के Instagram followers के हिसाब से your journey, all the sneak peek जो मिलती रहती है. Today we'll get to behind the scenes, behind this power couple that we have on the show today. Okay?
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
yeah.
Let's get into it.
Yes.
Let's jump into it.
Yes. Okay, so we get to pregnancy का ऐसा time होता है where how if I had to discuss between the two with your pregnancies, which pregnancy was easy for you, which one was harder, or which was different, and how were each different to the other?
I think it was a mix. Like back then, in my first pregnancy, I thought that was difficult. Not knowing कि second pregnancy will get its own problems along. First pregnancy, I think, was difficult because सब नया था. The morning sickness was very bad. I didn't know क्या खाना है, नहीं खाना है. The first trimester was horrible. Second, it was like, oh my God, I was eating everything. I used to have ice creams, meetha, I, indulged in everything. And then I had an early delivery both times. So, and then, Vayu came along. Vayu had other issues, which we'll talk later. Talking about my second pregnancy, initially it was very good because I knew exactly what I'm going to go through.
Correct.
I knew कि first 3 months morning sickness hone wala hai. By 4th month, it's going to get better. I'm going to eat. But when I reached my 7th month, suddenly, I started bleeding. And then the doctors told me that, your cervix has opened and you can deliver anytime. And I think it was still the end of 6th month. Like I was just getting into my 7th month. And they said, we have to try कि 8 महीने तक push कर लो, finish 8 months. So then I was on bed rest. I was horizontal for almost like 2 months. So मैं बस पड़ी रहती थी. And I think it was more difficult because I had a toddler. So he was close to 2. he wanted my attention. He wanted me to carry him. I couldn't do that. So that was a bit of a struggle. And then by the time we were reaching 8 months, and I was like, okay, done. Now I'm going to deliver, because the doctor said you'll finish 8 months and we'll deliver the baby. Suddenly I started getting a lot of pain. So this I've not spoken to anyone. This is the first time I'm going to talk about it.
Oh, wow.
I was getting a lot of pain. We thought it's gas. We kept going to the doctors. Every third day I was going to the hospital. And they were like, okay, let's do an entire, organ test and try to figure out what's happening, because none of the medications were working. And I realized that I had gallbladder stones, and
Oh, no.
like so many, I think more than 40. Yeah, I was absolutely crazy. And because I was pregnant, they couldn't remove it. They couldn't give me medicines to
Yeah.
get the pain off.
True.
So I was basically in pain for 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours, sometimes 3 hours. And I had to just wait for the delivery. And
And
that's
this
how
was at how many weeks?
this was 34.
Oh,
Around
And,
30.
and mind you, the pain was
It's,
absolutely
I can't even
unbearable.
explain.
Like,
It was so bad. I think
मतलब मैं इससे देखता था इशिता को, and we all used to be crying, like literally,
Yeah.
that what's happening. She was
yeah.
like in massive pain, and then we have another toddler. So
I think that
yeah,
was a very difficult phase for us, because I think I got the attacks almost 7 to 8 times during pregnancy and after, because even after delivery I couldn't get the operation done because I was still recovering from
Correct.
this delivery.
Yeah.
so
and
there's
then-
something like you have to wait for 3 months for any
Yes.
major surgery,
Yes.
unless it's emergency. But so we pushed, but after pregnancy also she was
40 days
free.
we waited, and as soon as 40 days got over,
Hmm.
because I kept getting those attacks, the doctor was like, okay, now we can't wait. And then that
I mean,
happened.
I've had kidney stones and I know that kind of pain, but I
Yeah.
never had it during pregnancy, and I know what medication I went through.
Yeah.
I can only imagine what
Yeah.
pain you must have gone through. That must have been
Yeah.
So the thing is that
and not having a medicine,
thing is
because
that
you
with
can't take anything.
true.
more than that, of course, fortunately everything is all good now. Sab theek ho gaya. But the thing is that again with kidney stones is very different. That kidney stones, it just gets out,
Correct.
But gallbladder stones,
Gallbladder-
if they come out, it goes into the
It can
system.
get stuck in the system.
So there were
and a lot
lots
things,
of
yeah.
things
Yes.
which were happening, and I remember once I think Vayu was hospitalized in the night.
Oh yeah, so something happened with Vayu also. He got hospitalized, and I think I got so stressed. I don't know whether it was stress induced, but I again got a gallbladder attack, and it was very difficult for him because he had 2 patients with him, like one son who we had to rush to the hospital, and then suddenly I got my attack at the same time, and I'm helpless, like I'm not able to do anything. So basically in the same room, I was here and Vayu was here. We both had saline, and the doctors were like, what's happening with your
Happening,
family? You're
yeah.
constantly coming to the hospital again and again. So I'm so glad that phase is over. And
But coming
Yeah,
back,
so
आपका जो सवाल था about first pregnancy, second, the thing is that now that we've been through, I can say that we've been through 2 pregnancies. Every pregnancy has a different journey
yeah,
True.
totally.
and different,
Story to
ups
tell.
and highs and stories. So जब हम second pregnancy का जब हो रहा था तो we thought that we knew it,
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
अच्छा first pregnancy में ये हुआ था ये हुआ
हाँ.
था ये हुआ था तो let's take care of this, but a
ऐसे नहीं
curveball,
होता.
googly, and something else happened. So but everything, I mean,
But
in
we
the end,
survived.
in the end, I always believe जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. You always have to be positive and optimistic, and that's how you have to take it.
Yeah, true. And looking at this, I was going to ask you also, like, how did you cope up during this phase?
It was very, very difficult. बहुत ही difficult था phase, because the thing is that sometimes you are helpless. A lot of people talk about mummies and moms. Unfortunately, I can't conceive a baby. I was telling her that, listen, Ishita, I want to do it, but I don't think so I can. How can I help you? No, you are going through, you are breastfeeding the child, but I want to. How do I do it? So sometimes as husbands, I can talk about all the husbands, we feel helpless. Not, I mean, sometimes people think that यार ये तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो फीड भी नहीं कर रहा है, इतने तो इसके पेट में भी नहीं था, ही नहीं था, बट मैं क्या करूं, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है ना.
Yeah.
But sometimes you can't even, what can you do? So
Hanji.
I tried my best. I was always there with her to take her tantrums. I used to be like, yes baby, you're right,
Right.
even though it's a mistake.
Yeah.
उसकी गलती होती थी, मैं बोला हाँ.
So I told him after pregnancy, give me 1 year. Let my hormones come down, and then you fight for whatever reason that you want
True.
to. Abhi ke liye I have
हाँ.
Yeah.
But I always believe that, the thing is that right now society is changing.
Yeah.
We are
Yes.
changing, the way we look at a woman, the way we look at a man. I think when we were growing up, you know, our moms used to be housewives because वो काम नहीं करती थी, बाहर नहीं जाती.
Correct.
आजकल
हाँ
की,
जी.
you know, लड़कियां, women, you know, we have, you know, so many girls over here. You know, you all are working, so it's a very different ball game. So I remember during, I think, first and second pregnancy, मैंने भी break लिया था, and when I was talking about, you know, going to the bathroom and cleaning Vayu's potty, I actually did it because I wanted to. You know, I wanted to. It's not that we had helps at home. You know, Ishita said that मैं करती हूँ. I said नहीं, मैं करूँगा. And a lot of times you feel कि, you know, how will the husband, तुम कैसे potty change कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
clean कर रहे हो? But नहीं यार, मेरा बेटा है.
I think like that brings the bonding in a couple also better.
Yeah.
It brings you closer because we have this perception कि मर्द ये काम नहीं करेंगे.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know, husbands नहीं करेंगे.
So,
या कोई,
so
yeah.
one other thing, you know, जैसे Ishita was pregnant and Vayu was a toddler, and then we decided कि, you know, Vayu को कहीं कोई play group या कहीं जाते हैं. So we enrolled him, and the classes were called mother toddler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
And
मैं
guess
चाहता
who was
था.
only father?
I used to go.
Wow.
So I think as society, you know,
They
like
need to
lot of
change that.
no, what I'm saying as society, you know, sometimes as a man, you know, we also face, you know, why is it all about man,
True.
man. But you know, like in these places, class
Yeah.
का नाम ही mother toddler है, तो वो किसने रखा है?
हाँ. Mammy toddler होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Exactly,
Family toddler.
exactly.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I mean, it's okay. Things are changing, and you know,
And I just want to add one thing that you said. So when he decided, ki, okay, you know, I'll take care of Ayu because you know you're pregnant and all this is happening, and I'll do the potty change and all. So first day he did, and I think बहुत कुछ हो रहा था, and I just in the night I was very emotional. I said, Daddy, you know, thank you so much for doing this, and he's like, but why are you saying thank you?
Thank you.
This is the problem that
Yeah.
when a guy is doing that, we
Correct.
think they need
Yeah.
to be thanked, but you know, you are
No.
also a parent, and
Exactly.
it is an equal
It
job
is,
for
it
both.
is, it is
Because when we are
100%.
changing diapers or cleaning
Yeah.
potty, nobody's saying thank you to
Yeah.
us. So he pointed that out, and I was like, oh my god, it's so much ingrained in us, in our
Yeah.
heads, in our, you know, cells that. And I said, yeah, you're right, absolutely right.
Yeah. We need more couples like you who like push this forward because a lot of people still need to hear, I feel.
Yeah.
कि, you know, men play.
you know, I personally feel that काफी सारे couples को करना है, but वो society के pressure में आ जाते हैं.
हाँ जी.
I always believe that आपको जो करना है, you should do that.
Do that.
What
True.
you want to do, you want to do.
Yeah.
Like today, I didn't want to take a few projects. Ishita didn't want to, not for any other reason. We want to do something. We want to spend time with our family.
Correct.
अब कोई बोलेगा कि यार वत्सल तूने इतने टाइम से ये नहीं काम नहीं किया, अरे भाई नहीं किया because मुझे ये करना है. So sometimes people don't understand that, you know, success and being busy is not equivalent to happiness.
Agreed.
Happiness
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
completely
Something so
different,
yeah.
Yeah.
and this is completely different.
That's so true. That's true. But talking about your work and everything, you speak a lot about postpartum on your page.
Yeah.
Would you like to enlighten us on this? Did you go through this? And
Yeah.
if you did, how? What was your journey with it?
So, of course, like we've all heard about it. So, even I did my research. But I think till the time you don't go through it, you don't really realize what it is.
Completely. agree.
And I had, of course, spoken to a lot of mom friends, but nobody had gone through that or they had not shared that information with me of how that feels. So, the delivery happened, and you know, my thought was that, oh my God, I should be so excited to see the baby. I should be wanting to hold him or her or whatever. You know, that was my normal expectation. But
Ji.
when the baby came, I was very upset for some reason and I didn't know what was happening. So, you know, after the baby comes, so many family, everybody comes home and they're
I
meeting
know.
you. There's so much chehel pehel happening. And luckily for us, both our parents stay in the city. My parents still live with us. Suddenly, they would go out and I'm alone with the baby and I would start crying. I would howl and cry. And I just didn't understand what was happening because nobody said anything to me. I have all the help. I have my parents. I have other help. I have my husband who's left work for an entire month just to be with me. You know, he used to be up all nights with me. So what's the problem? And I had a normal delivery, no complication, nothing. And I think it was very confusing for Vatsal also. He would be like, okay, kuch to ho raha hai. And it's not normal. It's not just one of those tantrums or temper something. Then I was like, okay, I started talking to people. I started researching. And I think at that point, I still didn't know what is happening is depression or whatever. But he said that, you know, Ishita, let's go out. Let's take you out. And हमारे system में होता है ना कि 40 days तक घर के बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. And he's like, you know, what is important is your health and your mental health.
Correct.
It doesn't matter, you know. 40 days पहले होता था क्योंकि situation वैसी होती थी कि घर के बाहर hygiene नहीं होता था तो infection का chance होता था. But now it's not the same. So just come. And I was like, no, मैं बच्ची को छोड़ के कैसे आ सकती हूँ? So in my heart, I wanted to leave, but the pressure of the society ki, oh my God, how can a mom leave a child who's like 10 days old at home? I have to feed. And he's like, breast pump, just like
Yeah.
store the milk,
True.
go out, somebody's going to feed him.
Yes.
But you need to get better. And I think
Right.
that really helped me. So I think every second day, he would just take me out for a drive. Sometimes we've gone and I was crying and we've come back. But I think me stepping out for those 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour really helped me. And I recovered very fast, where I started looking forward to that 1 hour
Yeah.
where it's just me, like talking to my friend or just going out and not being in that
That's so
environment.
good.
So but I think it was completely his idea, and he really, really supported.
Yeah.
Not asked me what's happening, why are you
That's
behaving
so
like this,
sweet.
kyun ho raha hai, maine kya kiya. I would
Yeah.
snap at him, but he was just there. So I think I always tell him that thank you so much for understanding and also making everybody around me understand that it's something hormonal. We don't understand it, but let's just figure it out
Yeah.
and give her some space.
You know, postpartum, of course, it is hormonal, but sometimes I also feel that it can be tackled. So with Ishita, what I realized also, I spoke to a few friends of mine, they were also talking about it. Then I realized that जब बच्चा होता है ना, तो everyone is like, where is the kid? Where is the kid? Where is the kid? What about the mother?
Yeah.
Nobody
Nobody
like-
asked.
I mean, you
Yeah.
ask for
Yeah.
formality, कैसी, how is she doing? Oh, fine. अच्छा, बच्चा
जी.
किस पे गया है, क्या कर रहा है, क्या weight है, क्या height है,
Hmm.
दूध पिया, ये किया. So sometimes I feel that, when the mother goes through so much and then suddenly, everybody just comes to the room and look at
Looks
the,
at the
the
baby,
kids.
yeah.
Hi, how are you? और फिर एक दे दिया, हाँ,
हाँ.
okay, अच्छा, अच्छा, wait. So I feel that is also important,
Yeah,
that,
true.
that you have to give importance to the mother. And that's why I consciously मैंने effort लिया. मैंने बोला यशोदा चलते हैं, ड्राइव पे जाते हैं. Of course, as she said, that society के भी बहुत pressures होते हैं कि मत जाओ, ये मत करो.
And
But
sometimes I
it's
think
okay,
we take the pressure on ourselves. Maybe
Correct.
my mom and my mom-in-law will not even say that to me. But it is in my head
True,
that
it is.
as a mother,
हाँ जी.
this is what
वो
should
guilt
be.
आ जाता है ना.
Guilt है. Oh my
in
god,
fact-
mom's guilt is another thing.
Another topic altogether.
In fact, I remember after Vayu, I think Vayu was just about 4 or 5 months, and Ishita had a work event come up in London, and she was just confused that, listen, it's a very good event. I want to be part of it. Vayu's just 6 months. I'm still breastfeeding him. Kya karo? And I said that, Ishita, go. Like. So she was like, no, but I said that just go. So she's like, okay, I'll just go for 1 day. I said, no, go for 2 days, 3 days, just go. And I made sure Ishita gayi.
I went for 7 days.
She went for 7
days.
Once I reached, he cancelled my tickets. He rebooked, and he's like, now that you're there, I've cancelled your
my-
tickets, so you can't come back. So
But
you
what
have to stay there for
happened?
7 days.
But what
Nice.
happened in that of course Ishita got the break postpartum. वो जो भी था, she was in another country, enjoying, taking time out. But when she started putting pictures on Instagram and post, there were a lot of people
Oh my god, hate.
commenting कि
Yeah.
4 महीने का बच्चा है, तू लंदन चली गई, तू ट्रिप मार रही है, तू ये कर रही है. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
This is not the way you look at
Yeah.
life. It's so different.
True.
आपको, you have to understand that what situation she is in. I mean, of course, now social media पे trolling तो करते हैं, but I know that there are a lot of people who are real also, who
True.
felt. I mean, probably they wanted to do it, और
Yeah.
उनको मौका नहीं
Yeah.
मिला, so they were venting out. But I just feel that in today's time, you have to take care of all these things. You
Yeah.
have to take time out for yourself.
True. I think as a couple, as a family, it's most important to secure your, like we always say, secure your harness first before
Yeah.
looking at everybody else.
Yeah.
And I think you guys did that as a couple. And it's beautiful to hear this. And I feel कि आपकी और Xerox निकलनी चाहिए. Because we need more men like you today in the society who speak about this. And it's great. Now talking about छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो पेरेंटिंग को ईजी बनाया और प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स में डायपर या फीडिंग रूटीन्स में क्या आपको सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प किया इन टर्म्स ऑफ जस्ट गेटिंग नॉलेज और टिप्स फ्रॉम एनीबॉडी और व्हाट वर थिंग्स दैट हेल्प्ड यू
I think a lot of my mom friends, their tips really helped me. I remember the first month with Vayu. This is all my Vayu's experience with Veda. I was like pro. I knew exactly what to do. I would be like, oh my God, throwing up. So Vayu had colic. So I think the first 3 months I really struggled with that. So I would be like, ये क्यों हो रहा है, वो क्यों हो रहा है. एक तो the hospital trips that every 3 days, 3 nights, I would be in the
Oh, no.
hospital because
Okay.
something was going wrong and something was happening. And I would be...
She was so paranoid that रात को वायु सोता था. She used to look.
I don't know whether you've done that. You are mom,
I've
so
stared at my
Yeah.
child for hours while
कि
they are
वो,
sleeping.
Yeah, if कुछ napkin मुंह
Yeah.
चला नहीं जाए, इधर
हाँ.
कुछ नहीं हो जाए. I was like,
सब कुछ किया है.
हाँ. I've
Suddenly
not slept.
हम लोग सो रहे हैं, वायु ने कुछ तो snore किया होगा, कुछ किया होगा, and she's woken up.
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Vatsal?
Yeah.
कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
I
कुछ
have
तो
not
गड़बड़ है.
slept. The first
She's
I have not
putting a
slept.
finger next to his nose. कि
Nose.
breathe कर रहा है कि
हाँ.
नहीं. उसको cough तो नहीं हो गया है. So
I
yeah,
know,
we've been through that.
I
And
know,
all my
I think-
mom friends used to be like, relax, it's okay. So I think I keep telling
More than
all my
mom friends, वहाँ पे doctors जो हम लोग को पहचान गए और ये
Doctors
लोग ये
also,
आ
of
गए.
course.
वापस आ
हाँ,
गए.
I think they're used to because like she's saying all moms maybe do this, you know, with their first kids. But yeah, like there are a lot of WhatsApp groups. So I was a part of, you know,
Mhm.
my mom friends ke groups, and they were really there for me. So I always tell them that, you know, thank you so much, because it would have been such a difficult journey had I not known and had I not got that message at 2 o'clock in the night that Ishita, relax, this is very normal, it's going to be fine. And you know, then 3 days later there would be some other new issue that I would
Like आपका जो सवाल था, like उसमें the best thing is that it's about community building. Like हमारा आज ये हमारा conversation जो देखेंगे वो मैं भी सुनेंगे वो सीखेंगे. That's about it. You know, it's always about community. Like, you know, if you learn from somebody, कि somebody suggest करते हैं कि ये करो, then we do that. You know, ये करो. जैसे हमारे mom dad ने हम लोग को जो सिखाया. But unfortunately अभी इतना generation gap हो गया है
जी.
कि तब के time कुछ और चीजें थी और अभी और चीजें हैं.
With after having both kids, which baby was the most toughest to handle?
Vayu. And it not for anything else, he had a lot of colic.
Okay.
So that kept us and him awake at nights, days, 24/7 for the first 3 months. Then it settled. So I remember Vayu would just sleep on me or Vatsal, and we would take turns in the night. And yeah, but touch wood, that phase is over. And when Veda was born, I think every time she threw up a little, I was like, oh my god, colic. And I was petrified, but she was fine. So she didn't have the same issue. But yeah, Vayu really had a lot of issues with
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Ishita, Vatsal, during the preps of preparing for going to the hospital or post delivery, how did you manage and what was the
I
research?
have to answer this question. ये सवाल का जवाब मैं दूंगा. इशिता ने इतना रिसर्च किया है. हॉस्पिटल बैग नहीं, हॉस्पिटल सूटकेस बनाया था. दिस वाज ड्यूरिंग वायु. पूरा सूटकेस बनाया. एंड देन इशिता, बिकॉज दैट लास्ट few months of pregnancy, कभी भी डिलीवर होने वाला है बच्चा, तो she was at home. तो मैं व्लॉग बनाऊंगी, मैं ये बनाऊंगी, मैं दूसरी मम्मीज़ को बताऊंगी कि मेरी हॉस्पिटल बैग में क्या होना चाहिए, यू हैव टू हैव दिस दैट एंड ऑल. तो बोल रही नहीं कल करूँगी, परसों करूँगी ये, एंड सडनली डिलीवरी टाइम हो गई, वो चली गई. एंड शी वाज लाइक ओ गॉड, मुझे व्लॉग बनाना था, मुझे लोगों को दिखाना था कि मेरी बैग में क्या है.
एक और बच्चा करना पड़ेगा.
But now after that I realized कि कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. तो इसलिए
वेदा के टाइम बैग क्या, पाउच भी नहीं था.
I just went because
went,
you know you don't need anything. But
Also
no.
one other thing, आपने preparation की बात की ना, so Ishita during Vayu, during that pregnancy, she was going to this yoga class. I don't know what class is called, but वो
Prenatal.
okay, that prenatal class. उसमें वो
आप नहीं गए थे साथ?
अबे आप बता रहा हूँ, सुना रहा हूँ. तो इशिता ने कुछ 5-6 क्लास किए होंगे, and the last class was with
With the husband.
That's why I said
So
आपने नहीं किया.
she was preparing this in अभी husband के साथ है, year 2. I said okay क्या है पता नहीं. So she's come, she's done that, and now she's explained the pregnancy that listen Vatsal, this means ये हुआ, ये में हुआ, ये हुआ, ये
After
हुआ.
this, I'm going to tell the story.
And फिर मैंने पूरा note
written
I've written
in the
because see
diary, you know?
the thing is that as I told you that this is the time I don't want to mess with Ishita. अगर मैं कुछ भूल गया,
He's a very intelligent
oh
person.
God,
He knows.
oh God, I can't handle it. Because sorry, तो मुझे ही बोलना पड़ेगा.
So now cut to we are in the hospital.
I've prepared that. So वो पूरा prenatal में गया, ये करना है, अगर रिश्ता pregnancy इसमें गई, रूम में गई, तो ये पानी का बॉटल रखो, सलाइन रखो, थोड़ा टॉफ़ी रखो, ये रखो, वो रखो, थोड़ा नैपकिन टावल, जो भी था वो सब मैंने लिख दिया कि ये टाइम पे ही होगा, ये टाइम पे ही होगा. So अच्छा मैंने डायरी बना दी. And now continue.
I'll continue. So we go to the hospital.
She had the
pain has started. I'm going crazy and I'm like, doctor ko bulao, you know, like I need to do something about this pain because I can't take it. And my pain level went from 0 to 100. Like there was no gradual increase. And I'm looking for Vatsal because, you know, I can't even open my eyes. And I'm seeing Vatsal is sitting in that corner and he's opened his diary and he's trying to find. he's trying to find कि ये कौन सा phase है, इस phase में मुझे क्या करना है. And I'm so angry and I'm looking at him. I am telling you what to do. Just call the doctor. He's like, no, but मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, अभी टाल चाहिए कि पानी चाहिए कि क्या चाहिए. I was like, oh God, Vatsal, I'm going to throw this bed on you. And that moment, you
No.
can easily kill anyone
Yes.
because you're in so much pain.
Yes.
And then he's gone out.
But you have to understand what I am going through. डॉक्टर तो आ रहे, डॉक्टर बुला रहे, वो प्रेप हो रहा है. अगर मैंने वहाँ कुछ भूल गया मैं कि वो वाटर बॉटल या नैपकिन या टॉवल या जो भी लेना अगर मैं नहीं भूल गया तो मेरी वाट लग जाती. सो दैट्स द रीजन दैट वाज गोइंग थ्रू माय माइंड कि यही भी चल रहा है कि पढ़ लो भाई, क्या लेके जाना है क्या नहीं लेके जाना है
Can
अंदर.
I add one more thing? You've not asked this, but I really need to share this. So he was in the operation theater with me. I had a vaginal delivery, and when everybody's like push, when the pain comes, you have to push, and all that is happening. And Vatsal is standing, and I don't know, in that moment, anyways, you hate your husband a lot.
What?
You just
What?
hate your husband because you are like, ये सब तुम्हारे वजह से हो रहा है.
ये कभी हुआ?
So anyways, every time I'm looking at him,
Main
I don't know why I'm so angry. He's not done anything, but every time I looked at him, he was here, and I was just like getting very annoyed.
No, one second.
Hey, listen.
No, one second. Let's just go back.
I love this. This is another show.
And to top that, सब बोल रहे push and I have to push, and he's going off sync. When push नहीं करना, he's saying push, and I'm getting so annoyed, and I'm looking at him. I said, या तो sync में बोलो, या तो मत बोलो. Just keep your mouth shut. Don't say anything. I think Vatsal saw my face, and he was just like, I'm going to be invisible. I'm going to stand in the corner. I said, this was not even a question. We have gone somewhere else.
But both of you are absolutely adorable and too cute together.
So I'll tell you this incident which happened in the delivery room. So I was allowed inside, taken the permission. अब वहाँ पे मैं तो पहली बार गया हूँ ना, तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है. वहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स नर्सेस सब बोल रहे पुश पुश, और ये मुझे देख रही है स्टे के साथ, तो मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि डू आई नीड टू से दैट नॉट. तो वो देखती है, मैं बोलता हूँ पुश, उनका पुश खत्म हो जाता, मैं बोला पुश. So
second time I was clear instruction, be sync पे. Or just don't say anything and don't even be in my eyesight. Just stay पीछे. I need to know you're there, but I don't need to see you. And I don't want to hold your hand also. So second time he was much better. He knew exactly what to do. But no, coming back to your question, I did do a lot of research in terms of, baby आएगा. See, before baby, I wanted to be prepped because suddenly baby आता है तो you're so involved. You don't have time to go and buy diapers or go buy the cream or whatever. Again, I'll come back to my community of moms that really helped me, because who can you ask for suggestion?
True.
It's the other moms who have already used maybe 5 different brands, and they can tell you what helps, what doesn't help, because I was so new. So one thing that one of my moms told me that about Mammy Poco Pants, that to get that night's sleep, of course baby gets up every time for feeds and all, but जब आप पैंट चेंज करते हो ना, तो they completely get up from their sleep.
True.
So this is a suggestion that they gave, that you get the diapers that you don't have to change, so that when the baby gets up, you feed and you put the baby back to sleep. So then they come into the routine faster.
True.
So that is exactly what I did, and that's why I got Mammy Poco, because I feel that it lasted longer as compared to the other diapers.
And it helped a lot because we've changed our bed sheets. We've put the bed सुखाने के लिए, because जब ये नहीं था, सुसु करता था और पूरा बेड गीला, बेड शीट गीला, and then we realized that अभी तो change किया था हमने. Remember how many times? And I mean, unfortunately जब bed गीला हो जाता है, then you have to put it out because
I know. I've been doing it for 17 years.
Okay.
So like with Veda, she's just going to be 4 months, and touch wood. I hope I don't jinx it, but I think it has really helped me get her into a night cycle where she's already sleeping from 11 to 7 in the morning. Only getting up for feeds is because I think she doesn't feel wet, and we don't have to change her. So thanks to that, I'm getting my sleep.
Yeah, I think that's so important, right?
That's very
because
important.
Once the baby sleeps, you also get your night sleep. And
baby
I
is
feel
not cranky, it's like a cycle.
mental health पे भी कितना असर होता है, because once you're well rested and you have that nice good deep sleep, you know that you can function properly the next day.
Yeah.
So you also spoke about weaning when we were earlier discussing. You said currently your child is weaning. I mean, how are you doing it? Are you doing day night both, or you're?
So again, I think the first delivery के बाद, वायु के बाद, I wanted to feed, only feed, like not do any formula or anything, but I was struggling with milk production, and I wanted to take supplements, this, that. Again, Vatsal was like, it's okay, कोई award नहीं मिलेगा, it's fine. And honestly, my mom also told me that I am a formula fed baby. My mom could never feed me for other reasons, and she's like, it's going to be fine. So I think I've switched between formula and breastfeeding for both my kids. And even with breastfeeding, I've pumped my milk so that in the night, sometimes Vatsal can feed, sometimes my mom can feed.
Yeah,
Or
it's so
anybody in
much
the
more
house.
convenient,
It's so
right?
much
Like-
more convenient.
And this pregnancy, she's actually donated about 50-60 packets.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I did the same. Like with one of my mom used to call me a cow. Just like,
Yeah.
"Kya hai?" I went away for almost 2 weeks. Like I left my daughter, and my mom literally bought a separate fridge
Oh, wow.
just to put my milk.
Milk. Yeah, yeah.
Like
because-
literally, and it was like thing. And then she's like, now what do I do? I said, I want to go and donate. And she's like, who's going to do it? And people, it's still not open in society
Yes.
today,
But
right? Like,
again,
they're
you know,
not.
it's very important to
Yeah,
talk
to
about
talk
it.
about it,
That
yeah.
it's very
Yeah.
important to
Yeah.
donate
Yeah.
because as Ishita said that, you know, her mom, due to some reasons, you know, she could not feed Ishita. So there are so many moms who want their
Want
baby,
to
and
yeah.
and you know, there are a lot of babies who are born so premature that they
Need
cannot
that.
be given formula.
Yeah. Actually in hospitals, that's what I was talking to my pediatrician, and he said that please, you know, speak to your mom groups and tell them that लोग सोचते ही नहीं है
Yeah.
ये
Even
करने
if
का.
it's one packet or two
Yeah.
packets, it's
It really
important
helps
to do
They
because
it.
have
the
abroad. You
premature
have
babies need-
donation centers for breast milk.
Yeah.
So.
They
यहाँ
will
पर
come
भी
to your
है पर
house.
awareness नहीं है.
Awareness.
They actually
Yeah.
come to your house and they'll pick it up.
Pick it up.
So it's that convenient. You have to just make that call.
And
and
you
tell
get an
them.
award. She's got an award.
Yeah.
And then they give you a very cute certificate for
Oh,
it.
so sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know
so,
this.
So yeah, so for both the babies, I have done breast milk, I've done formula,
Formula,
and I have
okay.
expressed.
Okay.
Because feeding directly was a problem with Vayu. He couldn't breastfeed. And with Veda, immediately after delivery, because of my surgery and everything, I was always in and out of hospitals. So I wanted her to be comfortable with bottle feed so that when I'm not there for 2-3 days, it shouldn't be a problem. So,
True. Okay.
so even if she
So
latched
interesting.
beautifully, but I couldn't. And by the
Yeah.
time I finished my surgery and came back, she didn't latch
Won't
back
latch
on.
back.
So I was like, it's okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine.
It's
Like,
fine,
you know,
yeah.
each child to their own, and it's good. तो हम weaning की बात कर रहे थे, तो I want to get to how you're in the process of diaper weaning as well.
Yes, yes.
So what is that? How's that going on for you?
It's really difficult.
It is
And I think I'm going to blame Mammy Poco Pant Extra Absorb for making it so comfortable for the babies that
Yeah.
they don't want to leave their diapers and they're so comfortable in it.
Also, you should blame them that after क्या है उनकी highest category some 2 years 3 years उसके बाद है ही नहीं तो बेचारे diapers पहनेंगे कैसे? So yeah, you should make for more because I think diaper is very convenient, है ना?
No, diaper is definitely convenient. I think, so my mom, every time we have a conversation with my mother-in-law and my mom, and they are like, you know, you should bless yourselves because back then, when we were kids and, you know, changing nappies constantly, washing them, rash ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai. But honestly, I have not experienced rash with both my kids. Though I had a full rash cream and everything prepared. And a lot of moms actually ask me on my social media that, you know, what do you do about rash? But it's not there, and thankfully, touch wood, and I think it's also because of the quality of the diaper that we are using. You know, one thing that I've noticed with Vayu, when he was using other diapers initially, when I was experimenting with a lot of things, the waist ke around na wo redness aa jati thi.
हाँ जी.
So I have always preferred pant style diapers. I think it's just more convenient. तो around the waist and around the thigh areas, जहाँ पे वो elastic होता है, it used to just become, you know, दाग आ जाता था,
Yeah.
and I used to feel very bad कि ये आ रहा है. But this has not happened with Mammy Poco Pants Extra Absorb because I think they don't use elastic. There's some other.
They also have some extract, na? Something.
They
Yeah,
have
coconut
coconut extract
extract.
that they
Yeah,
use.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
again, it is very soft on the baby's skin. Then I've actually held the diaper when it's completely full and you cannot feel the wetness, and that is the reason probably my kids sleep through the night and I don't have to.
They
change
go
the
into
diaper.
deep sleep and we go into deep sleep. And then in the morning, they are crying and we are still in deep sleep.
So yeah, so and thankfully I think again with the second baby na sab kuch easy ho jata hai. Like
हाँ,
I didn't have to do any research. So whatever products
We
I've
did,
been
yeah,
using, I've been
correct.
using the same thing. So in terms of diaper also with Veda, I've used the same diaper. That was obviously
amazing.
her first choice and my first choice for Veda. And yeah, I think did I mention it to you earlier? Because we've spoken so much, I don't know
Yeah.
whether I've mentioned it here or I've mentioned it before, that she sleeps through the night.
That's amazing.
And I think for me as a mom, and I think for any mom, that is the most important thing.
True.
Of course, apart from the fact that there shouldn't be rashes and there should
Yeah.
be marks, sleep
Yes.
is something every mom
True.
needs.
And I
if you
think
need
when you
that,
Deep sleep sogginess and rash. Yeah.
Yeah.
As parents, these were the things we
Three.
were like, teen,
Yeah, true.
right?
And
I
now we
think, when
sorted.
it came to the rashes, I want to say hamare zamane mein, because 17 years ago I was using cloth diapers at that time because I didn't have that awareness. Although they were diapers, but I didn't have that thing, right?
हाँ,
Because
हाँ.
hamesha bade bolte the कि don't use diapers, use like cloth diapers and all of that.
हाँ.
And then at that time when my babies would get rash, I would use coconut oil.
हाँ, yeah.
And not knowing today Mammy Poco
They
fans
have
have
it.
their own
Yeah, yeah.
Coconut extracts in it,
extract
yeah.
thing.
That's
And I
very
was just
smart.
like,
Yeah.
that's so cool.
Yeah.
It's so good, because that's what like kind of
Yeah.
helps with the whole
Basically,
thing.
जो old उसके है, integrating it in today's products and
Yeah.
then giving it to us.
Yeah. So great. Okay, so now we're going to jump into a fun segment. Okay.
I thought this was fun.
It was fun. It's going to get funner.
Oh.
This is I have and I have not.
Okay.
One of you. You're on.
Be honest, huh, Vatsal?
Yeah.
You've
Ready?
been very honest.
Huh?
You've been very honest. We need
Yeah.
to have a chat. We need to have a chat.
Extra honest.
Yeah.
अच्छा वो अभी तक अटका है
Of
दिमाग में।
course. ये मैं भूलने
ये-
नहीं वाला हूँ. ये हम भूलेंगे नहीं, इशिता.
Okay.
ठीक है चलो रेडी स्टार्ट करें I have not secretly enjoyed cartoons more than my child.
No?
No, I've not enjoyed cartoons more than my child.
Like sometimes I do get engrossed and I'm
My
like,
Yeah,
child
क्या
will
हो
be
रहा
a
है?
cartoon. खुद ही cartoon है वो.
That is true.
हाँ but I get your point.
Yeah.
Like you're getting engrossed
So
and
I'm
बच्चा
only
तो
engrossed,
कुछ
हाँ,
और ही कर रहा है हम ही देख रहे हैं.
yeah,
हाँ
that has
true.
happened.
Okay, next. I have not bought 2 diaper sizes at once just in case the baby suddenly grows overnight.
I have not bought diapers at all.
Okay.
Can,
We know.
can I tell you? I have so many packets.
Small, medium, large. Yes. I know.
So, so my mom, when she opened the cupboard one day and she saw so many, she's like, "What is wrong with you? Like,
कभी भी काम
खत्म
आएगा.
नहीं होगा. Like,
हाँ.
Mammy Poco fans will always be available in the market. You don't have to buy the stock. But I swear, I have
Yeah.
3 to 4 packets already kept just in case मैं कहीं अटक गई.
कपड़े के शेल्फ होते हैं फिर डाइपर्स के शेल्फ होते हैं.
just in case अगर कभी मिला नहीं कुछ हो गया तो I should be prepared. So I
correct.
have all sizes and I am ready. In fact, I have small sizes also, which I don't know what to do now. I'll gift it to
Yeah.
somebody else.
True. Okay. I have not tiptoed out of the room like a ninja after putting the baby to sleep.
Of course.
Of course.
We all have.
है ना?
I have stopped my sneeze. I was like, no, not happening.
कर्टन के पीछे इसके नीचे. Like, yeah. I know. Okay.
I've become statue also once.
Yeah.
I remember. वायु थोड़ा difficult होता था. बहुत वो कंधे पे रख के सुला के. मतलब मैंने I don't like music. I don't really enjoy music. I'm not a good singer. But I've composed so many songs for Vayu.
है ना?
For Vayu. इतने मैंने ओरिजिनल कॉम्पोजिशन किए हैं जब उसको वही सुनना है और मैं उसको सुलाता हूँ जैसे ही रखा और मैं ऐसे टर्न करके वॉक कर रहा हूँ सडनली आई हियर एंड आई एम जस्ट स्टैच्यू बिकॉज इफ ही सीज मी मूविंग
Yeah.
खत्म वो जो 1-1.5 घंटे की मेहनत थी ना
सब
वो
गया।
चलता।
सब गया. No. Okay. I have not done mental health math count to how many diapers left versus how many hours to survive.
हाँ, traveling
हाँ
especially.
जी.
I have calculated. Full
Yes.
calculation has
Always.
happened.
See, this is all her department. See, I always
हमने किया.
नहीं, I always it's not about that हमने I always believe that you have to बांटो your work.
हाँ.
कि
100%.
you know आप थोड़ा कर लो मैं कर लूँ फिर क्या होता है ना कि अरे ये तो तू करने वाला था नहीं ये तो तू so that's better that you know
Yeah,
ये
we are very
department
clear.
yeah
I
very
agree.
very
Divided
clear
our jobs.
कि
That I
department
completely
तेरा है
agree. Yeah.
और ये department फिर
It
वो
just makes life easier.
also confusion नहीं होता ना
हाँ.
अगर खत्म हो गया तो I thought
ये
वो
आपका
always-
डिपार्टमेंट था.
हाँ
And you can blame properly.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
full
हाँ.
confidence.
हक से.
हक से.
ठीक है. I have not made silly faces in public just to make the baby laugh.
Oh yes,
course I have.
absolutely. I think we all have done that.
To other babies also.
To other babies also.
and you know what now after being parents ना it doesn't matter
ये inhibitions चले जाते हैं ना. You don't
it
care.
doesn't matter कि आप सिली फेस बना रहे हो अभी उस दिन मेरे बेटे ने बोला पापा वेयर दिस शर्ट इट वाज माय घर का फटा हुआ
हाँ.
क्रीज नहीं था ये नहीं था एंड ही वाज क्राइंग आई वोर इट एंड आई टुक
Yeah.
हिम टू स्कूल द थिंग इज दैट आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना एक टाइम के बाद आपकी प्रायोरिटीज लाइफ में चेंज हो जाती
हाँ
है.
जी बिल्कुल.
आपकी प्रायोरिटीज होती है आपके बच्चे, एंड देन ये सब मैटर नहीं करते कि लोग देख के क्या बोलेंगे. भाई लोगों को अगर अच्छा नहीं लगा तो आप मत देखिए मुझे,
हाँ.
बट मेरी प्रायोरिटी मेरे बच्चे हैं. एंड द
True.
थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू डू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू.
Yeah. I keep telling everyone, I said, follow your priorities, whatever's like most important to you.
Yeah.
Just go with your gut feeling. Yeah, true. Okay. I have not posted a picture of my baby and then kept refreshing for likes.
I'm very embarrassed. At the same time, I put some 100 Kala Tika ka different things also on
On the picture, na, है ना?
the
हाँ.
picture.
बट यू नो व्हाट, ये भी होता है सोशल मीडिया में. एक बार आई रिमेंबर हमने कुछ तो दिवाली या कुछ तो वायु का कुछ तो डाला था, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट ही इज फॉलन सिक. हमारे पे इतना प्रेशर आया है कि तुमने उसका फोटो क्यों डाला सोशल मीडिया पे. मत डालो, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, नजर लग
I think we're
जाएगी.
still struggling with that.
You still
We still
struggling,
don't
but
know.
yeah,
हाँ.
what is right?
Nazar,
what is
not
wrong?
Nazar, we don't know. But yeah.
Okay. I know it's a tough one.
Yeah.
Like I go through the same thing sometimes, and I'm just like, I feel like I just shield myself with positive energy.
It's not about, I just feel that we know that maybe it's not right, it's not, but the thing is that कभी कोई बोल देता है
बोल
ना कि
देता है
ये
ना,
हो-
वो
तो
वहम रह
दिमाग में
जाता
रह
है,
जाता है.
दिमाग
हाँ
में रह
यार
जाता है,
हो
हाँ.
सकता है उसकी वजह से या नहीं हो
Correct.
सकता है,
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक इट्स ऑल गुड, है ना.
I have not sniffed the air dramatically to check if it's time for a diaper change.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
even
Very the bum
Yeah.
only. What? Not even around.
सिर्फ पैर उठा के. I know.
बट एक्चुअली अभी वो स्निफ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. हम लोग से
हाँ, किया है. खाना क्या खाया था?
हाँ. We do that also.
Yeah.
बट अभी ना एक अच्छी चीज हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ किड्स. नाउ इट्स लाइक यू ऑलवेज ब्लेम इट ऑन द किड्स.
True. It's just easy. Yeah. It wasn't me. इसने किया.
No, I didn't say that.
Okay, next one. I have not carried an extra diaper just in case and ended up needing it.
हाँ, not one. 4,
course.
5.
So many times, no? हाँ.
Always.
ठीक. So now we're jumping into Ishita versus Vatsal.
I'm excited about this. इश्ता वो सीरियल. और आप सब जानते हैं कि इसका विनर कौन होने वाला है. फिर भी हम खेलते हैं, कभी कभी खेलना पड़ता है. हाँ.
Okay. Ready?
We'll see.
We'll see. Who secretly loves baby shopping more?
इश्ता. सीक्रेटली नहीं है, कोई सीक्रेट विक्रेट नहीं है. कोई सीक्रेट नहीं है.
Open.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
open.
Open.
It's open.
Who has better tricks to make the baby laugh?
Me, of course me.
Yeah. Okay. Between the two of you, who's Vayu's favorite mammy?
Please.
Please,
Please.
please.
But Vayu can speak, you can ask him.
Please,
Yeah.
please,
He will
please.
choose me.
Vayu.
Please, please.
I'll call him.
ये प्रेशर देती है.
Please, there's no pressure.
It's about choosing.
When he gets up in the middle of the night, किसका नाम लेता है वो?
Listen, नाम आप ये छोटे बच्चे होते हैं. आप सबको मैं बताता हूँ कि बच्चे बहुत छोटे होते हैं. उनको समझ नहीं आता है. उनको अगर रोज आप फैन बोलोगे तो फैन बोलेगा. बट वो सोगा किसके पास?
हाँ.
गहरी नींद किसके पास आती है?
Deep sleep.
That
We know
shows-
the answer. We know
that
क्या है
shows
सच्चाई.
that-
So let's move on to the next one.
Okay, so it's what's up, no?
No, it's Ishita.
Okay, next one. Who's more likely to start clicking pictures the moment the baby does something new?
Ishita. Of course, Ishita.
Yeah. I think that is.
Anything and everything. मतलब
I think my kids even today they're like, "Mama, can you please stop recording? Trust me, keep recording." It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. of course,
आपके
it's
केस में तो
so
आपके बच्चे बोलते हैं. हमारे केस में तो हमारी बच्चे के साथ पूरी दुनिया बोलती है. इशिता, can you please stop clicking pictures?
When they grow up, they will love it. They'll be like, अच्छा
Exactly
मैंने ऐसा
what I
किया था,
say.
अच्छा मैंने वैसे किया था.
And अभी तो मैं ये I use
See,
this
she can-
blackmail thing कि आप लोग तो कॉलेज चले जाओगे तो मेरे पास खाली फोटोज ही रहेंगे. तो सोचो.
So don't ask for those pictures.
She's doing the right thing. Don't worry.
See, we are not. I mean, I'm saying that इनका जो सवाल था कि कौन ज़्यादा क्लिक करता है, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ कि कितना क्लिक करते हैं कि वो आजकल जो फ़ोन की मेमोरीज भी कम हो गई है.
वो है.
इमेजिन
iCloud
जीबीज के
storage है
जीबीज.
iCloud storage.
वो कुछ नहीं है, खत्म हो गया iCloud. iCloud अभी फुल हो गया है.
We'll buy more.
With my mom.
वो जगह ही नहीं है.
ऊपर ही जगह नहीं है. Now this is a answer to the following game that we're going to
Okay.
play. Okay? If there was a great diaper race, who would win?
No questions asked.
ऑफ कोर्स और मैं तो कहता हूँ कि हमारी जो ऑडियंस जो ये पॉडकास्ट देख रही है, आप प्लीज़ कमेंट में लिखिए कि कौन जीता कौन हारा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बायस्ड ओपिनियंस होने वाले हैं और मुझे लगता है कि मैं साइडलाइन होने वाला हूँ, बट आई वांट योर सपोर्ट, आई वांट यू टू वॉच इट केयरफुली एंड टेल अस दैट हु इज गोइंग टू विन.
I'm going to win.
वो तो गेम डिसाइड कर
Game
लेगी.
decide करेगा.
हाँ जी.
गेम डिसाइड नहीं, वो अंपायर भी तो होता है ना, वो भी तो डिसाइड करेगा ना.
She's the umpire. She will decide.
Oh my god.
Chalo, let's play.
Okay. Okay. So based on your last answer for the great diaper race, we now have a challenge which is physically there. Okay. We have 2 dolls. Okay. Maybe you can take it as Veda and Vayu, this pink and blue. Okay. We have Mammy Poco Pants Extra Absorb. We're going to see who puts on the diapers quickest.
Okay.
So grab.
Am I allowed to win, Ishita?
We'll see. Let's just be honest.
You can take the dolls
Yeah.
and one. Okay. And on the count of 3.
अच्छा एक मिनट पहले फ्रंट बैक तो देखने दो. I'm just joking, okay? I know everything. हाँ?
Yeah.
सब पता है मुझे.
Okay.
लिखा हुआ है यहाँ
लिखा हुआ
पे.
है.
लिखा हुआ है.
देखो
For-
front. So why are you laughing? I'm just like making
Very
this
clearly,
podcast a
front
little
and back.
funnier, you know?
Chalo.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Already हाथ अंदर है.
3, go. देखो.
मैं अपने
So
बच्चों का आंसर करती हूँ, but मुझे
delicately.
win करना है, इसलिए मुझे जीतना है, इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ.
हाँ. ओहो देखो देखो
Bump भी
कितना.
कर दिया मैंने. सुला भी दिया बेबी को.
My beta. I don't care about the race. I care about you and your
Ole.
comfort. It should not hurt you, beta.
That's so
Whatever.
cute. We
अभी
have
अभी
a
आप
winner.
बताओ कि
I don't
कौन
know.
जीता कौन
नहीं,
हारा.
I won. See,
अब
already
no,
I-
no, no,
disclaimer
no,
मैंने दे दिया
no,
था
no,
that
no.
This is a game.
No,
Disclaimer
no,
मैंने
no.
दे
But
दिया था.
she has to decide, na?
Okay, fine.
You
I
have
have
to
to decide.
decide कि कौन जीता और कौन हारा.
चलो. I'll
See,
give a
from
very
mom to a mom.
mom का आंसर दूँ मैं.
You have to be.
Practically,
You can't be biased.
Practically,
नहीं, आप
इशिता जीती. Emotionally आप जीते.
चलो, I'll take
ठीक है.
it.
तो आप दोनों जीत गए.
It's okay. It's okay. Papa's won in your heart.
So filmy यार मत सर.
फिल्मी क्या है यार?
On behalf of Mammy Poco Pants and Beyond the Bump, we'd like to give you a special hamper.
Oh,
How sweet. Thank
for you to
so
take
much.
I love hampers.
Yes.
We all do.
Thank you.
Thank
And I
you,
think
thank you so much.
kids also gonna love it. ना Vayu और Veda, तेरे को अच्छा लगे hamper.
Thank you.
Welcome. To conclude this episode, what would you leave as a final thought for your viewers?
I just still feel there's so much to talk because this parenting journey is something that the more you talk, the more information you get. But firstly, to thank you for having us here. Thank you for giving us a platform to speak to
Yeah.
our audience and share our story. Hopefully, they have got some information from us that's going to help them in their journey. Anything that you want to add?
Well, मुझे ये कहना है कि there's nothing right, there's nothing wrong, and you will make mistakes.
Yes.
And you have to accept it, and you don't have to regret it, and you have to ask for help. It could be your friends, family. ये WhatsApp group की बात कर रहे हैं, वो हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया. So, and you just have to have a smile. That's it. Don't get stressed. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. At the end of the day, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
I want to give you a hug, both of you, so sweet. On this basis, we're actually running a contest for all the mammies who are watching this. We would like to get a nice message from
Yes,
both of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you go first.
Thank you. So, for all you lovely mammies out there, one lucky mammy gets a beautiful hamper from हमारे प्यारे से couple with 2 प्यारे से messages. So, keep watching and participating. So, as a little memory that we'd like to keep with us, we have Poco-chan here. Can we get your sign, both of you?
Another thing that I want to share to my audience is about Mammy Poco Pants WhatsApp group. So I'll share my experience. When Vayu was born, I had a lot of questions, doubts. क्या हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, growth milestones. So this WhatsApp group will help you get a lot of answers. So as soon as you enter the birth date, or if you're pregnant and you enter that, okay, this is when I conceived, automatically every week it gives you कि अच्छा अभी baby इतने size का हुआ है, this is what you expect, okay अभी nausea
The
शुरू होगा, खत्म
milestones
होगा,
हो
the milestones,
गया.
like everything and anything, and you know it's coming from a very authentic source. It's not just you googling something and you don't know whether the
Correct.
article
Because
is
it's the
right.
brand which is part of it,
Yes,
and you know.
so they have their experts, they have done the research, and you are just getting all the information. So I found that very, very interesting, and I wish this was there when Vayu was born, because I remember getting very confused कि so क्यों नहीं रहा है? Is he going through a sleep regression? Is he going through something else? And you cannot be calling your doctors again and again because they
True.
will stop answering your phone and
Yeah.
block you. So yes, to all the mammies seeing this podcast, this is going to be very, very helpful.
Of
for all
course, yeah.
you.
I mean, this basically this will tell you about you know, the different, you know, sometimes you know it's the the weight, कौन सा diaper कितने महीने का, you know, sometimes लिखा होता है कि you know like ये
True.
weight के हिसाब से, but
हाँ,
you know
it's
sometimes
also-
the babies, you know, like
And
yeah.
also new updates. You know, sometimes you don't know, like what I was using with Vayu. Now things have changed. There's new
Change, yeah.
technology. So all the updates
I think all
you
the
get.
updates, offers, and yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, about this podcast and you know about these signed hampers, everything will be there, right?
Yes.
Yes. So thank you so much for so much insight, so much information, a lot of personal talk, a lot of personal touch. I think our viewers are really going to enjoy this. So thank you for being on the
Thank
show.
you so much.
Most welcome. Thank you so much. It's lovely talking.
और इसी खूबसूरत बात पर हम एंड करते हैं ये स्पेशल एपिसोड. दिस वाज बियॉन्ड द बम्प विद इशिता दत्ता एंड वत्सल सेठ. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, happy baby, happy you.